There's a train coming. Yes! On Durand, Michigan. It's here in westbound train. I can't hear it. Okay. Here comes. First train. I miss Durand. Yes! 3 engines! It records audio.
Cool!
Not everyone likes audio. You know what?
What audio? You talking?
Yeah. I hear people talking.
In the background?
Yeah. Is that fine? How come? How come? Too much? Well, you can hear the train. You know? Yep, M399. That's what I thought. You haven't back on this week?
Yeah.
You probably sleeping. You know?
Yeah, I know.
You talking in here and kind of do not mad.
Yeah.
You think you're mad all the time. And you're not, right?
No.
Okay. That's a big train. Big one. Going pretty fast too. Oh, no worries. I'll put it to you in a minute. Hang on. That's a big train. Oh, look at that. Blue boxcar is coming. Hey Mom, you wanna know something?
What?
I think she needs help understanding too. You know? She has disabilities. She needs help. Like me, right? I just need to help her. CPU? I don't think so. Is that a middle engine? No, it's a tanker. And you got lumber. But the end's coming. On Durand, Michigan. Going down a little bit. Maybe there's an eastbound coming somewhere. Probably. On Durand, Michigan.